Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I want to show you a quick and easy card using basic white cardstock. And you guys, all of your just scraps. I mean, how many of you end up with just extra scrap pieces of paper lying around? So I wanted to show you how cute. I happen to have a bunch of these, and I'm going to save that. And then I'm going to get out my paper trimmer here, and we are going to just cut these. That's a pretty decent size, so I'm going to save that one. Same with that one. Let's see. This one is a little bit thinner, so I'm just going to get out my snips and cut that, and I'll save this for another one later. Here is another piece. Here is a piece that was cut off and I can't really use, so I'm gonna cut that down. Well, maybe, I don't know, not even an inch, maybe a half an inch there. It looks to be about the same size as the others. And then we've got this one here. I'm going to do this one. We'll do that one a little bit smaller. Oh. Don't score it, cut it. Now I still have more pieces. And then here's another one here. Looks good. I'm just going to cut this off. I don't need that. And there we go. So now I have all of these little different colors. And that's all for that one. Now I have these pieces here. I've got the basic white cut right in half at 4 1/2 and scored at 4 1/4. And then this one here, actually I'm telling you, I used all scraps. And this one was not cut at 5 1/2. It was a little bit longer than 5 1/2. And then this one was going to go back in my scrap pile because that'll make another little piece there. Excuse me. I have to get my water in just a minute here. All right, burnish that down. We've got another little piece of white, and that one is cut at 4 by 5 1/4, which is going to leave me another little nice border right around the edge. You can put it in a black and cut this down a little bit further, or any other background color. But we're going to just do white on white because I wanted to show you. And we're just going to take these, and I'm going to use some liquid glue. And we're just going to start gluing these on here. So just paying attention to where the edge of the glue is, and you can use different sizes, and you don't even need to put it on there we go. You don't even need to put it on the actual paper if you don't want to have it run off. So we're just going to use all of these different colors, and we're putting them in different orders here. It doesn't really matter. but they're going different ways. Now, if you can't tell what these are going to be candles here. But I'll show you how easy it is and how cute it's going to be. And we'll put this one on here. Put this one right here, a little bit lower. And then we can even put another one kind of overlapping, if you will, but I think we're okay with what we've got here. So we've got that. Now we just come down here. We're going to cut off all of our bottoms. And I think these are small enough scraps that we could get rid of if you wanted to. So then we're going to take, we've got our Stampin' Right basic black marker. I have a dark lemon lolly and a dark pumpkin pie. Let's see. And all you're going to do is you're going to take and put these little guys just like that. Then you're going to take your pumpkin pie and right at the tip there, just put little bits like that, kind of like a little raindrop. Then you're going to take your lemon lolly. Now, if you're using markers, you don't have to have that second base, but because I am using blends, I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then I'm just going to go around the outside with a little flame there, making it whiter at the top. And because it's blends, it's going to blend itself out there. And all turn into each other. Then we're going to take this guy here. And I'm going to use the Happy Birthday from the Sweetly Scripted and some Memento Black, and I have put it on a craft pad. If you haven't seen that video, you can check that one out. And we're just gonna let's see here. Put that right across here. Just like that. And then we're going to get some dimensionals. And we'll put a couple dimensionals right across here. And we'll take these right off. We'll put our Happy Birthday right across there. And then we're going to cut that off as well. Same on this side. And then again, like I said, you can put it on any color background that you want. I'm just doing the white on white. And you can pop that up as well. Actually, I'm thinking I'm going to look and get out a basic black and see how that... I think that would pop it out just a little bit. Again, using, oh, this is already cut. So we'll see. We'll see how that works out. Yeah, that black looks pretty nice on there. So that's what we'll do. we'll just use black. This is a quick and easy birthday card. It's just super cute. And then you can put accessories like embellishments and whatnot as well if you'd like. And then we'll end up cutting that white. Let's see if I have a scrap piece of white. I do. And we'll cut that down. Again, we've got new scraps. We're going to cut that down to 5 1/4 by 4 so we can put that right in there. And then I will show you. Let's put that on. I'm just going to use the Stampin' Seal for this one. There we go. So that is my colors using scraps, or my candles using scraps. But let's say you do have a scrap like this and you want to use that. Get out those markers. You can even do it on these colors as well. So get out those markers, and I'm going to use this for the back. And just start coloring them in. Right, to make some nice colorful candles. You have white candles. You can do it with all kinds of fun stuff. Just coloring your own candles there. And how cute would that be? So that would be your candle with the white. So I hope you like that. If you do, please make sure you give me a big thumbs up, and feel free to comment and share. It helps my channel, and I would love to see what you guys do with your scraps. If you want to subscribe, I would love to have you subscribe. And obviously you are a beauty. So have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye!